what's going on, everybody? It's Adam here from Anthem Off-Road, and I'm here today to help you out. We're living in a crazy time right now. It's a weird world. Inflation's at an all-time high. We got presidents falling off the bikes, and fuel is insanely priced. So we're going to bring you two things today. Number one of the things we're doing to help you out at anthemwheels.com, where we sell wheel tires and suspension. It's Christmas in July, so buy a set of wheels, get a fuel card, put gas or diesel back in your truck, and help you get you where you need to go. Number two, coming at you with some fuel saving tips. So I got a pile of them here I'm going to go through and get you all hooked up. Fuel saving tip number one, as much fun as it is, stop drag racing from stoplights. I guarantee you that Gladys in the Oldsmobile next to you does not care how fast your F-150 is. The only way you're going to get her to mash the gas is if she's late for Bridge Club. If you think fuel is expensive, try adding a speeding ticket or a reckless driving ticket on top. Fuel saving tip number two, doing donuts, whipping shitties, making Cheerios. I don't know what they call it where you come from, but it's not good on the gas tank, so stop doing it. If you really want donuts, go to Quick Trip. All right, fuel saving tip number three. This one's gonna hurt a little bit. You are not a human GPS. We have the technology. Steve Jobs and Johnny Google, they got us what we need so we can get to where we need to go in one shot. So don't spend your time driving around in the middle of nowhere, especially not if you're trying to prove a point to your wife. You get there in one shot, she doesn't care. And if you get lost, you're probably gonna hear about it. An extra spoiler alert for you, you parked in the wrong spot. Number four, size and weight do make a difference. Of course, we'd all love to have 26x14s and tractor tires, but 1 mile to the gallon's really not gonna help the bank account. So it's at that point we wanna start to think about smaller stuff. At Anthem Off-Road, we got all that stuff where 20x9s, 20x10s, 18x9s. Put a little smaller wheel, stick with maybe a little more rubber, still gonna look beefy on your setup, but not kill the gas mileage as much as some of that other stuff. I'm not a mathematician, but I'm pretty sure that bigger wheels and tires need more power to move them, and more power means more fuel. Number five, mudding. There's two types of people when it comes to mudding. People who love it and people who've never done it. For those of us that have done it, we all know how much fun it is to head down to that local mud hole, chase mud crickets, and fling slop 60 feet in the air. However, it's a hobby that does not help your fuel mileage. So if you're really trying to save fuel, maybe stay out of the mud hole. Number six for saving fuel, tire pressure and tire type do make a difference. Specifically tire pressure, if you're the kind of person who puts your new wheels and tires on your daily driver, and on the weekends you go out and climb through the rocks and go through the mountains and you air down your tires, it's simple. Just make sure you put that air back in your tires when you head back on the road. Nice little cheat code, usually on the tires themselves or in the door frame. The door jamb of your vehicle is going to tell you what that prime tire pressure is for what you're trying to achieve. Have the right tire pressure in there for being on the roads. It's going to help your fuel mileage by quite a bit. And finally, number seven tip for fuel mileage savings, toys and trailers. A lot of you, I know, just like me, love your toys, love to buy them, love to show them off. But when it comes to towing around your boat behind your truck and it hasn't seen the water in a month, it's probably time to disconnect the trailer and leave it in the shop. Or when you have that snowmobile riding around the bed of your truck and it's in July, no one cares anymore. It's save that for when the snow starts flying again. That's really gonna make a big difference on the fuel side. All right, that's what I got for you, your 7 tips for saving fuel right now. If you got any extras, any good ones, make sure you leave them in the comments, share them with everybody else. In the meantime, don't forget to hit up anthemwheels.com for your wheels, tires, and suspension. Take advantage of our Christmas and July sale right now, and as always, you buy your wheels and tires together. We'll mount them, we'll balance them, and ship them to your door for free. Easiest wheel tire purchase you'll ever make. And in the meantime, stay safe.